Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I'm done with my cleansing soap, my cleansing liquid soap. This is the soap that cleans all negativities away from your body. If you're the type that love doing spiritual things and you're not seeing testimonies, this is the soap. I do get testimonies, a lot of testimonies concerning this soap. I don't usually do this soap, but whenever I do it, I take my time to do this soap. The soap I love doing are bar soap. This is liquid soap. I just finished cooking them. I just finished adding the things I am to add inside of it that cleans all the negativities you can see. So I'm really thanking God, really thanking the things directing me. This is a wonderful cleansing soap. In Igbo, it is called Uchu. It cleans all the negativities. I thank God and everything guiding me. I just finished preparing it. So it's blessed. Thank you. Stay blessed.